Welcome to Cisco AppDynamics for SAP in manufacturing. The situation in the manufacturing vertical almost always comes down to the question of efficiency. Whether you are involved in making something or selling something, you want to have the efficient use of capital and the efficiency of people, both workers on the shop floor as well as in the back office dealing with documents and money. The complication lies that despite efficient spend on materials on plant as inputs, you must also connect those flows with the warehousing of finished goods and shipments along the order path to close the revenue cycle. The implication in SAP application environments is that any hiccups or brownouts in any of the SAP business flows could slow or stop the line. This in turn leads to either a waste of capital or a delay in the revenue cycle. AppDynamics for SAP focuses on the real-time, fine-grained insights into the discrete end-to-end transactions that comprise the SAP ERP and all connected systems. No other tool can connect the business process steps and flows down to underlying ABAP code and HANA database calls connected to user experience working in the SAP environment. Our ask is to look at business processes as a series of business transactions connected by their users and by related transaction IDs. The benefits by looking at it that way include several items that affect overall efficiency. 1, spotting inefficiencies early. 2, reducing downtime, whether planned or unplanned. And 3, improving the resilience of the revenue cycle at all the choke points that waste time, capital, and end user patience.